Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best geophysical detector in this video? I will show you the top 5 best geophysical detector to buy right now in your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 in our list is Water Leak Detector PQWT-CL200CL600. Specifications: Brand name, PQWT. Model number, CL200. Average noise level, 89 dBm and under. Display size, 7 inches and above. DIY supplies, electrical. Certification, CE. Origin, mainland China. Item number 4 is PQWT-GT 150A3200A. Specifications: Brand name, PQWT. Model number, GT150A. With LCD screen or not? Yes. Power type, rechargeable. DIY supplies, electrical. Certification, CE. Depth, 150 meters. Origin, mainland China. As the item number 3, we've selected PQWT L3050. Specifications: Brand name, PQWT. Model number, PQWT L30. Average noise level, 89 dBm and under. Display size, 7 inches and above. DIY supplies, plumbing. Certification, CE. Frequency range, 11000 Hz. Measurement area, indoor pipelines. Sensor, square sensor. Display, 7-inch LCD screen. Working temperature, -20 C to 50 C. Working hours, 15 hours. Origin, mainland China. Number 2 is Upgrading version AIDU ADMT300SX. Specifications: Model number, ADMT300SX. Standard or non-standard? Standard. Origin, mainland China. On the top of our list at number 1 we have latest 15500M Quickly Water Finder. Specifications: Brand name, PQWT. Model number, TC150/300/500. With LCD screen or not? Yes. Power type, rechargeable. DIY supplies, electrical. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE. Geophysical. Color red. Accuracy, 95%. Warranty, 2 years. After sales service, free for life.